Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel and welcome you all to the post market analysis. And yesterday, if you remember, while discussing about Nifty 50, we have given this level and I clearly said that at this level I am expecting the support from the Nifty 50. So if you just watch out in by shifting to 15 minutes time frame, clearly after opening above this level we got some sort of little bit more, and if we talk this in the market profile language, it's some sort of open test drive. And if I talk about simple words, then we got sellers entered here, but they are exhausted at this stage, and again you can see it's clearly almost closed above our level. And similar case with the bank nifty. So let's see the bank nifty as well. Before seeing the bank nifty, the one thing which I need to update you is while yesterday, if you see, I updated that after breaching out this demand level, now I am looking at this particular zone. Okay, as this demand zone already failed, so it's no need to keep this zone. So I am literally searching or seeing for this zone to support, but while I am going through the chart of futures, then I found a level. Let me discuss here. So yes guys, this is the level which I have found, and who do not know about this sort of gap theory, we have a dedicated video for them and you can watch that. And according to this gap theory, this can act as a support or resistance, and exactly you can see we got a support at these zones. So yes, we have a strong demand zone in the spot chart as well, but equally this is also important for our level. So the same case with the bank nifty as well, it opened somewhere near to these zones and it got support at this level. And by the way, this level I updated in our telegram channel, so about the telegram also we going to discuss in next few minutes. But if you see, after that we gave the target of 46,000. So this level, until and unless this level is holding, I clearly said that this level is possible, but thereafter again I have given a level as target. But yes, we little bit we missed that with few points, but it's completely okay. And at this stage, at this point, I alerted all of you, like we may see the day lows coming on, and clearly it happened. And so we're going to discuss about that before starting next day analysis. So let me open this, and if you see, this is our telegram channel. If you have not yet joined our telegram channel, I highly recommend you to join. So let's start with today's first message is Hdfc ADR 9% down. And yes, and I clearly in the yesterday's video itself I said it is overreacted already. I am not expecting much reaction from the bank nifty, and you can see that reaction today. Yes, our this level we expected to be to take as a support, but it did not happen. But yes, as I said, still in a long run I am looking bullish on. Still in long run I am looking bullish on Hdfc. So let me go back to the channel, and thereafter clearly said bank nifty 500 points down. I will observe for at least 1 hour 30, that is first 30 to 60 minutes, 1 hour, rather directly jumping into put. I clearly said this, and thereafter I updated these levels, these two levels, this bottom, the levels which we saw took support. And thereafter, if you see, we have also published a chart with a manipulation area. So why did I publish this? The reason is there is a weak money continuously buying at that higher rates. So I would also show you that how I updated, and the result is here, you can clearly see. Thereafter, at this stage you can clearly see, I messaged you, we may see a rotation. Okay, so just a second. Yes, here you can see guys, now I am looking for a rotation at days low. So the message is at 12:03, and if you see at this area, at this candle I have updated, and thereafter you can clearly see it moving towards day low. So this is about today's analysis and today's updates. And yes, I updated this message at 9:30, and if you see the present time almost near to 10:14. Actually I struck up with some work, so I am making video little late, and hopefully it will reach to you guys by tomorrow, like in the early morning. So what about tomorrow's analysis? Yes, tomorrow we gonna to see a gap down a gap up opening. How can I say that? Similarly with the price action, of course, but along with price action you can see global markets are completely in green. So this also adds a conviction. And thereafter, if you see the pros data in the sensible, you can see they are completely in some options they are mild to medium bullish, and in the futures they are strong bearish. And if you talk about FIIs is a mixed data. And coming to clients again, if you see, they are carrying little bit of put sides or like short side much, they are bearish. And only pros shows a clear cut indication they are completely bullish. So usually we follow pros and FIIs data. So yes, even eventually, even before the fall also, the pros carried the correct side of the positions. So you can take this as reference. So by keeping all this in mind, so we're going to expect a gap up opening. So every point keeps on adding. And by the way, I already posted about this Sensible website. Do you want a full web tour video on Sensible? And if you also want, I want you guys to comment below. Till now we got 7 votes, and 7 is for the yes. And if I get much more votes, very early you're gonna to see a video on complete this Sensible website in detail video, just as we made on fires. So without wasting any time, let's see the tomorrow's video. And tomorrow, if Nifty is sustaining, and you can clearly see these are the future charts. So in the future levels I am discussing on, if we open a gap up above 100 points, then I will be seeing for, if it is opening 100 points or above 100 points, then I will be keen to watch for 21,710 level, because if it sustains above, then I am looking for higher levels. And in fact I am looking for covering of this particular gap as well. If it is opening flat, then obviously my first targets will be these zones. So I would be planning for these zones for tomorrow in the Nifty. Now coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as I said here, usually I updated you right at this time, because weak money is buying at this stage. So as you all know, when weak money is buying, this weak money is prey for the smart money, so they collapsed everything. And in the similar case, at this bottom, weak money started selling. And again, you know, when here weak money is buying, they captured, and they, what I say, it's like these are guys prayed, and almost they collapsed everything. Smart money collapsed the weak money here. In the similar case, I am expecting at this level as well. So what is the first target? Obviously this swing high would be our first target, but yes, usually we clear it in the opening itself according to my expectation. And then I'm looking first target for 46,357, today's high, and thereafter I am looking at 46,806. So what is this 46,806? This is the Fibonacci extinction level. And thereafter, obviously, eventually I am also looking to cover this gap as well. And I am again repeating that day, whatever the HDFC, it is overreacted, but yes, possibly we have logics even, but I think whatever, even after combining everything, I think that is overreacted itself. So obviously when market realize that we overreacted, they try to cover everything. So now at this stage as well, I am expecting a reversal from this area as well, this area only. So obviously as I discussed the targets, and thereafter I am looking to cover this gap as well. So one more thing I need to just show here, this is market profile. And yes, to my advanced price action, I am trying to combine this with market profile, and I am getting so good results. And after our free option course series, thereafter immediately I gonna to get the level. And if you see the targets which I have given is based on this particular single print. We call this as single print. And yes, a lot of interesting things on this, and I am working on. And yes, at least last from 1.5 year to almost 2 years I am working on this. And yes, now I am not a new beginner to this, and I can explain you, and I can try to make ease with the process of learning of this market profile. And yes, how weak money is captured, this is seen in the order flow as well. So these are the tools, and which I am just working out, and just new. It's not completely new to me, because from the past 2 years I'm working on. And yes, I gonna to make videos on this particular tools as soon as possible as I will complete the free option course, because it's very important to complete that course, because without knowledge trading future and option is risky. So I want beginners, or at least intermediate stage members, should come across all the important F&O, and also some strategies we're going to share. Thereafter definitely you can expect a video on market profile as well as order flow. So hope you like this video. In case if you did not join our Telegram channel, so it's very important you to join the Telegram channel, because all the updates just like this today, you can see the updates, same sort of updates usually I post in the Telegram channel. So don't miss to join, link is in the description. So see you in the next video. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.